Hey guys, I'm back, and I think that my hard drive might be getting full, so I think this might be the last video. Then I have to do everything like I used to. What's that? Beehive. There you go. Okay, let's go in this cave. Probably because this is where we killed the bear. And yes, like I guess there were more bears. So let's get rid of this guy. Oh shit, this isn't good. Too much bears. Not dying. Skooma. Yo, Linda. You are earned, man. You got earned. The locked room. The locked room. Lockpicking. Well, I totally didn't know I was gonna do increase my lockpicking. Like it's just only called the lock room for no apparent reason. Is that it? Was that the cave? Does this lead somewhere? Shouldn't really call it a cave, I guess. Can we go up there? No. Let's go up here then. Where's my horse? Come here, horse. Oh, guys, I just gotta quickly check something. I will be right back. Be right back. Hey guys, back, and I think I changed where my videos would save. So yeah, I think the lag's gone, cause my hard drive was just getting a little bit. Oh my god, find so much ingots. My hard drive was just getting a little full. So yeah. So what I have to do is I have to now just go on to iMovie, merge them together because Fraps breaks them up, and then I have to delete the cut up ones. Oh, Orcish. Oh. Rah. Rah. Not ancient Nord boots. Why are they burned books? Why aren't they ruined? It's usually ruined, but trap. It's a trap. Go on. Let's keep on going, Lydia. Lydia. I know that's her name. And then I will own you again. 2 power attacks. That's all it takes to kill a restless freaking dragoon. Is it a dragoon or dragor? One of those. See, that's how good I am. Just so good. I can't believe all this time we've been calling her Linda, but she's actually Lydia. Oh shit. Boom! Man, we're so boss for a blacksmith. Oh my god. I can't believe we are this good for a blacksmith. Whoa! That wasn't nice. That wasn't fun. It is not fun! I know what's up here now. So much traps in here, but they do no damage to us. Because we are the best blacksmith in the world. No, I cannot say that. My father was one of the best blacksmiths in the world, but he got killed. Oh man, that's 2 in a row. I'm so good. Another level. Stamina. Oh, can't do that. That's. I know it takes. No, we don't need that. Ooh. 200. We got 2 perks, so we have leveled up 2 to Ob. Get 1 in archery, and speech. I don't know. You know, we'll just keep this one. We'll keep it just for, oh, that reminds me. I want to actually put that as favorite and, oh yeah. I want to actually get my archery up, so. Oh. Lydia is so boss, but I want to get my archery up. No, Lydia, not taking my kill. Oh, Lydia, you pissed me off. I'm just taking Lydia. You know I always love you. Don't you love me too? Yes, she loves me. I know she does. The boss. Sorry about that, guys. My brother just came in. Whoa. Oh. Oh shit. Why is it just done? What did it do to my orchid? What'd you do to my orchid, bro? Okay, you're dead, man. I swear you're dead. Come on, Lydia, let's take him down. Cool, stop blocking, huh? Little girl, come on. Where is my bow? There. Oh, he made me drop it. You little bitch. No, it makes me drop my bow. Lydia, I can use this. Target takes 15. Oh, yes. Lydia got the best bow. I mean, I got the best. Where's my. Oh, it's not of my favorites anymore. Lydia, I got the best. There we go. We're getting our archery up now. Lydia.
I'm right behind you.
I want to trade something for you.
I am sworn to carry your burdens.
Here we go. This is what I need you to. There we go. You can have that.
Let's get going then.
Where your sword, Lydia? A new shout. Yes. From this, guys, we have learnt a new shout. Kill marks for death. That's the one we learned in Dark Brotherhood. Oh, that's cool. Alvin Shield. That's what you Lydia use. Yes. Fuck yes. Oh, now this was good. Freaking. Oh, I think this is. Oh yeah, that's for that girl, that alchemy girl, for her potions. So we didn't even need that anyway.
I am sworn to carry your burdens.
Oh, what did you give me back? I don't want to take anything from you. Here we go. You can have that, and you can have. And And yeah, that's all you can have, my good friend. So now you can wear those two things. And for me, I need that.
On.
So with that, I've got 187. I'm gonna take that. Okay. It really does a lot. I'm actually being serious. It really does a lot. People think I'm just joking. I'm just joking. It doesn't do anything, but it does a lot. So how do we get out of here? I think we have to go. It shows we have to go up here now. Okay, so I think we go up here now. And
Oh.
what happened? We just go out there and she's like, oh. Oh. I think I know why she said oh now. Because we're kind of... Oh, there we go. I was wondering why she said oh. She's like, oh. I'm like, what? And she's like, I'm like, oh. Kind of trapped. That guy is so cool. That guy just can't explain how cool our guys. Now that was a good adventure. We got 2 levels up, and we discovered some stuff there. Lydia. Okay, now there's that other cave that I want to just... Here, Bronze Water Cave. This was I remember, dwarven cave. There was those dwarven... Here we go. These dwarven pipes. So I want to go and explore this cave. I know we're exploring lots of caves, guys, but it's okay. There's no harm in exploring caves. Come on, get killed. No, Lydia, I want you to wear that. I don't want you to wear that axe. Lydia, I don't want you to wear that stuff. I guess I have to take that stuff from her so she doesn't...
Still here. I am sworn to carry your burdens.
Oh, what? You can't...
I am sworn to carry your
I want you to wear the...
burdens.
No, here, have it. I want you to wear the elven shield. Can't you wear the elven shield?
You lead, I'll follow. I'm right behind you.
Wait, why isn't her thing glowing?
I am sworn to carry your burdens.
She's still... Yeah, she's wearing it. Okay. I want you to wear the elven, but you're not wearing it. You're pissing me off. Drop that and paid money for that, but we're over in cupboard, so I must drop it. Is that it for this? That's a chest. Ruby. Is that it? There's cave with some spiders in it. Nothing else? No, I guess that was it. That was a little disappointing. I thought those pipes meant something. They led something.
Hey, watch it.
I'm sorry, Lydia. I didn't mean to hurt you. Jokes. Okay, now. Are we still on that quest? For the... Yeah, so we've got to return it now. So I think it's... Where is it at? Dawnstar?